Hello everyone. Today I will introduce a car wireless vacuum cleaner to you. This is not an ordinary vacuum cleaner. It has more unexpected functions. In addition to being used as a vacuum cleaner, it has powerful cleaning capabilities. And it can also be used as an air pump and suction pump. Its wireless design allows you to use it anytime, anywhere. 8 times the suction power. Clean the whole car in 30 seconds. The powerful high-power brushless motor ensures that it can be easily applied in any scene. Cleaning the interior of the car, camping outdoors, and vacuuming. All can be done with one device, which is extremely convenient.